Can you see from inside that cloud? Can you? It's from inside the cloud, and it's raining, and it's going thousands, million. It's going 30. It's going really slow. Can you really hear it or not? This way. It's coming from this way. And look at this one. Look over here. This one's where the sun is going. Look at this, looks totally bright. And over here, the now bright. Dun dun is bright over here. Can you stand your DSs to record? Is it really madness? Can you see this house without from this cloud? And are you happy when I get rained on? And call me stupid idiot. Do you want me to? That'd be so nice. Goodbye. I hope you like it. Dun 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 dun. And bye.